All right, everybody. So I thought the last video I was going to be able to include a lot more into it, but unfortunately, I don't know. It must be an Android thing. So what we're going to do is part two of the trunk floor install and the quarter panel on the 1963 Impala. And then what I'm going to do is make a separate video on the progress on the 1959 Impala because it's going to be a little bit different. I know how the 59 Impala was sitting where the 63 Impala is, but now we did make some changes to the 59, and hopefully you guys like it. We did do some stuff that we claimed that we weren't going to do. We'll see. We're trying to make it work. Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday to everyone. Today what we're going to be working on is the 63 Impala. What we're going to be doing is replacing, or not really replacing, but repositioning the rear pan. And we already got it out of the car. So what we're going to do is clean it up really well along the lip. And then that way we'll be able to weld it nicely. And we do have some more trimming to do over here, which my brother is working on right now. But yeah, we should have the back piece ready to be welded pretty soon. Welcome back, guys. So here's what we're working on, the door and the quarter panel fitment on the 63 Impala. So here's a test of the door opening and closing. So that sounds pretty good. So we have a couple of more trimming spots on the wheel housing, and then we're going to be able to actually fully welding the quarter panel on because we got the placement that we need.
This one over there? Man.
How's it feel?